So, welcome Avinash to INS. It is an absolute pleasure to have you with us on board today.
Thank you so much.
So, firstly, tell us. I mean, I'm sure आप इस सवाल से बहुत ज़्यादा जवाब दे दिया होगा. But how excited are you for the show?
Definitely a lot because the whole concept excites me a lot. The way it is, the way show is conducted, I love it, and all those things, performing stunts, having a good time with all the creepy crawls. So obviously looking forward to it.
Right. Also, this show is being hosted by Rohit Shetty.
Yeah.
ना? So how thrill मतलब बिग बॉस के टाइम पे तो सलमान के साथ
हाँ जी,
कंटेम्परेरी था.
हाँ जी.
अभी रोहित शेट्टी के साथ पर सलमान के साथ थ्रू स्क्रीन था.
Yeah,
With Rohit
correct.
Shetty, it is in person.
In person, correct,
And he's a
correct.
taskmaster when it comes to stunts. And all that.
100%, 100%.
No biased, nothing,
Nothing.
strictly business, right?
Right.
So how excited are you to sharing space with him?
मैंने रोहित सर का नाम सुनते ही आपके दिमाग में एक्शन और कॉमेडी आता है, एंड ही इज़ एग्जैक्टली लाइक हिज मूवीज़. एक्शन तो वो करवाते ही हैं और करते भी हैं, एंड द वे ही कंडक्ट्स द होल एपिसोड बहुत फन वे में एंटरटेनमेंट रहता है, एंड ही नोज़ हाउ टू एक हैवी मोमेंट को भी कैसा लाइट फील कराना है, बिकॉज समटाइम्स द सिचुएशंस आर लाइक दैट, द स्टंट्स आर लाइक दैट, हम पैनिक कर सकते हैं, तो हमारे दिमाग में भी ऐसा होता है यार कैसे करेंगे, बट ही मेक श्योर कि एवरी कंटेस्टेंट इज फीलिंग ओके, ही इज़ देयर थ्रू आउट द टास्क. वो गाइड भी कर रहे होते हैं, कई बार इतने इन्वॉल्व हो जाते हैं कि वो बगल में आ जाते हैं परफॉर्म जब कर रहा होता है कंटेस्टेंट कि यू कैन डू दिस, यू कैन डू इट. सो टू हैव अ ग्रेट सपोर्ट लाइक हिम, इट्स गोना बी अमेजिंग, एंड दैट पर्सनालिटी आई एम श्योर बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा.
Right, absolutely. Also, when we talk about Khatro Ke
हाँ जी.
Khiladi, of course, it is to do with fears.
Obviously.
Right. So I wanted to know that what is
Yeah.
that one fear that you would want to overcome?
See, there are a lot of fears I feel right now, but the only thing I would like to be very conscious about is the water stunts. I'll tell you why, because I am a swimmer. So it's not like I don't know it. Just because I know it, so I don't want to be overconfident while performing कि मैं गया और वहाँ पे मैंने टास्क अच्छा नहीं किया. So I want to be more conscious when it's a water stunt, so that I perform it in a way जो सही हो, correct हो, not with that overconfidence.
Right. Also, I wanted to know that. I mean, we have so many contestants on board.
Yeah.
Also, काफी contestants have already been a part of Khatro Ke Khiladi. How much do you think that is fair, unfair? Because they already know the game of it.
See, it's not unfair, to be honest, because ठीक है, they have some advantages. They know the weather conditions, they know the whole schedule, routine, how it is, how it works. But the way you perform at that moment, that will matter a lot. And maybe ऐसा कोई टास्क है जहाँ पे उन्होंने पहले परफॉर्म कर रखा है, they'll go with that vision कि हमने पहले ऐसा किया था, and हम कोई न्यू अप्रोच से टास्क करेंगे. हो सकता है हमारा न्यू अप्रोच काम आ जाए, and that works and that clicks. तो it's gonna be like person to person depend करेगा ये.
Right. So Avinash, when we talk about your stint at Big Boss, right?
Okay.
We all have seen it.
Okay.
Completely. When I talk to other contestants also from Big Boss, right? When
Yeah.
they come out of the show, it has been extremely tasking and it takes a toll on the mental health and everything after the
Okay,
show.
okay,
Is what they have told me.
Okay.
ठीक है. So I wanted to know because क्या होता है जब आप Big Boss में रहते हो, वो जो उस momentary होता है, you guys forget it also, but social media doesn't forget it. Social
Yeah.
media doesn't forgive as well, and they pass that judgment for life. It becomes difficult to उसको चेंज करना नामुमकिन के बराबर हो जाता है. So a lot of people have told me that they had to seek therapy. इसके अरे भाई क्या करूँ?
Yeah.
What was your life from after Big Boss and now till Khatro? How has it been?
Definitely it has changed a lot, and coming back to your question, like yes, I've seen like I had a lot of conversation with different contestants of different reality shows that yes, they take a toll on your mental health, because sometimes when you're too much absorbed in the social media and you're looking at the mobile, because you're a public figure and people come onto your profile, they write a lot of things, and if you keep reading those messages, that will affect you. And I guess when I came out of the Big Boss house, for the next 2-3 weeks I was also into that, because मैं भी अपने आप को देख रहा था कि what all things was there, तो बड़ा अच्छा लगता था. बट जो नेगेटिव चीज़ें होती हैं, you read those comments more compared to all the positive comments. I don't know what is that human psychology that you read all the negative comments, but you see the positive comments, you're like, हाँ, okay. But that seeks your attention. So obviously, if you keep yourself too much involved in that, then it will take a toll on you. And these days I have been seeing a lot of actors coming out on the social media and saying I'm taking a social media break. There's a lot of trolling going on, but I feel you have to deal with it because you're a public figure, and the more you keep yourself away from that comment section or maybe the trolling, that will affect, that will help you a lot, because I have been following that from last 1 year. Because it's not like we don't get trolled, but it's like you have to deal with that. You can't run away, or you can't crib about it, like how people are. You can't make everyone feel you can't make everyone feel the or think the way you think. So let them do whatever they want. Just focus on your positivity. That's it.
Absolutely. Also, when we talk about khatra,
Yeah.
right? What is that one khatra that Avinash has taken in his life that has changed his life 180?
Very obvious, the moment I decided to become an actor and I said, I'm going to Bombay and I'll be here. And I want to pursue this as a career. So I guess that was the khatra I took, and that has shaped beautifully. And a lot of new khatras I have been taking after that, like doing reality shows and doing new projects. So it's going amazing till now.
Right. You know, Avinash, I was recently talking to another contestant
Yeah.
about her journey in this space, in television, basically in entertainment world.
Okay,
right?
okay. Yeah.
When you come to Bombay, or when you come to this with a vision to join the industry,
Yeah.
which is already so glittery and has so many, attracts thousands or lakhs of people every single day,
Correct.
right?
Uh.
I wanted to know that how has Avinash paved his journey from being, an outsider, if I can use that word, to making, to basically sitting here and all set for his next journey at Khatro. How has his journey been? What difficulties has it have you faced in this journey? And I think ये खतरों के खिलाड़ी के लिए तो already तब से ही आप prepare हो गए थे throughout your journey in a way. So, yeah.
See, I feel the whole journey was like I wanted to go through all of these things what have happened in my life. I don't want to magnify it and glorify my struggles, that okay, I've done a lot for myself. This is a blessing. I wanted to become an actor. I am an actor now, and I am getting paid for what my passion is. So what else I could have asked for? So it's like जो journey होती है, एक process जो होता है, वो difficulty नहीं बोलूँगा. I enjoyed every phases of my life, getting rejected from all the TV ads to walking in the Versova streets to all the अंधेरी वाले area में सारे auditions. So that's a process which I really enjoyed that time. And I feel not only in acting, in every field you go through a process, and if you love that process, you will enjoy it. यार. It's not about having a hard times like बहुत बुरा हो गया. I'm perfectly fit, दो हाथ दो पैर, everything is there, सलामत है सब चीज़. So I don't want to glorify by saying कि बहुत मेहनत की. It's like मेहनत तो सबको करना है. I enjoyed the whole process.
Right. When during times of कोई low period होता है या कोई
Yeah, a lot.
dull phase होता है, तो उस time पे ना usually people what they do is coping mechanism. What they do is they think of a certain low phase in their life जो हो चुका है already, जिससे उनको motivation मिलता है कि ये तो उसके comparison में कुछ भी नहीं.
Yeah, we do that sometimes in our acting process. Like sometimes when we have to feel the scenes, we do that mechanism.
Yes.
By the way.
Yeah. So I just wanted to know that what is that one low phase that you faced and you just got back into action?
2021 was a very difficult phase, to be honest. मतलब उसमें समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि हो क्या रहा है लाइफ में, because when I came to Bombay, मुझे आते ही बहुत सारे काम मिल गए थे. The very first day I cracked one audition, so everything was going very smooth. And whenever मतलब एज भी बहुत कम थी, so that time I guess भगवान का भी एक होता है ना, अपना उनका स्क्रीन प्ले चल रहा होता है कि चलो अभी ठीक है, बट इसको लाइफ में सिखाते हैं कि हाउ टू बी हम्बल एंड ग्रेटफुल. तो बिकॉज आई नेवर फेल्ट हाउ इट फील्स टू सिट एट होम and not being selected for any role. So 2021 was that year where a lot of things were not going correct in my professional life, but I guess that was really important in my life so that मैं समझ पाऊँ कि जो चीज़ें मेरे पास हैं वो कितनी बड़ी चीज़ें हैं, and I have to be very grateful and humble about it कि यार ये सबको नहीं मिलता है, तो जो मिल रहा है उसकी कदर करो, रेस्पेक्ट करो, and वो उनका अपना तरीका होता है यार भगवान का सिखाने का. So I feel that was important.
Right, absolutely. Also, I wanted to know that how much do you credit your parents into this journey?
100%.
100% I'm sure.
To be 100%.
मतलब
जैसे
no, please. जैसे क्या होता है कि हम इतने बिजी हो जाते हैं, स्पेशली आवर जनरेशन इतने बिजी हो जाते हैं, कभी-कभी उनको ज्यादा एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि आप अंडरस्टैंड कर लोगे, कर ही लोगे, हम ये दिस आर प्रायोरिटी ना, यू विल अंडरस्टैंड. बट I just want to know what kind of sacrifices have they made for you to be here today?
A lot of things. Like coming from a middle class family, a lot of things like financial ले लो या mental ले लो or physical ले लो. I have seen dad going out, traveling all the way to different cities because he was in that audit department of banking zone. तो he used to travel a lot of different cities, छोटे छोटे गाँव में भी, and वो घर पे मुश्किल से हफ्ते में मतलब एक बार या महीने में कभी 2 बार रहते थे. तो I've seen all those things and he did everything for us, for me and my brother. And mom भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें मतलब बचपन की चीज़ें आज मैं जो बहुत एक फाउंडेशन तैयार होता है किसी बच्चे का, तो वो जो मुझे याद है, मैं बचपन में स्विमिंग करता था, मुझे डांस क्लास के लिए कभी नहीं रोका गया, म्यूज़िक क्लास के लिए कभी नहीं रोका गया, तो मॉम लेके जाती थी हर जगह. तो शी हैज़ डन अ लॉट फॉर मी कि यार जो वो मे भी होता होगा कि वो नहीं कर पाई, तो शी वाज लाइक यार इसको हर चीज़ कराएंगे. तो ऑल दोज थिंग्स दे हैव डन. इट्स लाइक मतलब मेरे अंदर जो कुछ भी है, इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ देम. आई हैव लर्नड वट एवर आई हैव learned in my life or established, it's because of them.
Right. Also, I wanted to know that since you're a television top gear actor, बहुत सारे ये चर्चा चल रहा है कि 8 hours का ही शिफ्ट होना चाहिए, 12 घंटे का होना चाहिए, जबकि because it is so difficult. I just want to understand. I'm not saying you choose sides, but अगर कल को आपको बोला गया कि नहीं आपको 18 घंटे भी करना पड़ेगा.
See, I started television in 2016 and उस टाइम पे मतलब मंडे टू फ्राइडे टेलीकास्ट आता था, उसमें भी हम 12 घंटे शूट करते थे. ओके, एंड अब द सिचुएशन इज़ डिफरेंट. नाउ इट्स एवरीडे टेलीकास्ट एंड अभी भी 12 घंटे शूट होते ही हैं. एंड आई फील ये आपको पहले से पता होता है एज एन एक्टर, एज अ ह्यूमन, कि दिस इज़ द क्राइटेरिया एंड दिस इज़ व्हाट यू हैव टू गो थ्रू. सो इफ़ यू हैव चूजन योर सेल्फ दैट ओके आई वांट टू बी इन दिस फील्ड, सो इंस्टेड ऑफ क्रिबिंग जस्ट डू इट, एंड इफ यू वांट टू क्रिब देन प्लीज गो आउट.
Absolutely. Last question. खतरों के खिलाड़ी के इतने सारे contestants में, have you gotten a chance to sit down and interact with somebody very closely? And if yes, who? And if not, whom would you like to?
Well, I met all of them. आज ही मिले हम. And फरहाना के साथ एक पहले हमने एक प्रमोशनल रील शूट किया था. So we had a good conversation about the show, the preparations, and आज भी हम मिले, वही बातें कर रहे थे. आज बाकी सारे बॉयज से बहुत अच्छा जेलअप हो गया. हर्ष और मैंने एक शो किया था, वो बताया वो आया नहीं हमारा. एंड करण भाई एंड ऋत्विक भाई, इन दोनों से मिला. वेरी गुड पीपल, बहुत अच्छा वाइब कर रहे थे हम. एंड विशाल, वो भाई भी अपने बिहार से हैं, तो वी कनेक्टेड ऑन दैट नोट. सो एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग ग्रेट यार. एंड औरी इज़ अ वेरी गुड फ्रेंड. मतलब हम लोग इंस्टाग्राम पे बातें करते थे, आज हम मिले भी हैं. तो आई फील वी आर जेलिंग अप रियली वेल विद ऑल ऑफ देम.
Right. Also, a lot many people say that अरे खतरों के खिलाड़ी ना जैसे पहले होता था एकदम strict and only tasks. अभी थोड़ा ड्रामा ज्यादा होता है.
अरे
लोग बोलते हैं अरे ये तो बिग बॉस सटल पार्ट 2 हो गया है.
आई होप हमारे सीजन में ऐसा नहीं हो. मैं बिल्कुल भी नहीं चाहता. आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग माई बेस्ट कि इसको खतरों की तरह ही रखें. प्लीज सारे कंटेस्टेंट्स ऐसे ही रहना. मैं नहीं चाहता इसमें बिग बॉस का थोड़ा सा भी ग्लिम्स मिले किसी को भी.
Yes, I think we are pretty much sorted for it, and thank you so much. All the very best.
Thank you so much. Means a lot. Thank you.